Hi, I am Siva from VM Solution Incorporation. In this video, I'm going to show how to get MAC address from UCS cluster. Why do you need to get the MAC address? So during Kicker installation, let's say if you want to install OS in all the blades, in 40 blades or 60 blades in a UCS cluster. So that time you need to get the MAC address of each and every node. I had a chance to work on UCS cluster that had 64 blades. So I wanted to get the MAC address real quick. Before that, I will show a UCS. So this is a UCS cluster. It has a chassis 1, chassis 2, chassis 3, still chassis 8. Under the chassis 1, it has server 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blades. So I'm showing one server. It has two adapter 1 and adapter 2. Each adapter having two VNICs, NIC 1 and NIC 2. Adapter 2 is having NIC 1 and NIC 2. Each NIC is having MAC address. I'm going to show how to grab the MAC address of this NIC. We need only one MAC address of NIC. I wrote this command to get the MAC address of blades. So what it does, scope chassis 1, scope to server 1, scope to adapter 1, show host -eth -if and filter with vnic 1. It goes to chassis 1, server 1, adapter 1 and first vnic. It shows that MAC address. So similarly, I executed same command for the second node, third node, fourth node, fifth node, sixth node, seventh and eighth. You see that here. This is for chassis 1 and server 1 to server 8. I did same for chassis 2 each node. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same I did for chassis 3 and chassis 4 and chassis 5. So I wrote this command till its server. Then log into UCS chassis. I copied this in clipboard. Then log into UCS chassis in CLI mode. So pasted those command. I use, you can log in using PuTTY. I use Security here. That is a paid version. PuTTY is free, but still good. PuTTY is good. Log into UCS and paste the command. So here I'm showing few samples. Scope to chassis 3, server 6, adapter 1, show host -eth-if. It pulls that MAC address here. It filtered with vnic 1, so next to the vnic 1 we are seeing the MAC address. Similarly, it pulls that MAC address of each and every node that you can see here. This is MAC address of server 7. This is MAC address of server 8. This is MAC address of chassis 4, server 2. So now you have MAC address. You can create a configuration file with this MAC address and IP address that you configured in DNS server. Create a configuration file in Kicker and make sure these nodes are configured with the DHCP network. and turn on these nodes and do pxe boot. That's it. When you see the server, it boots with the pxe boot, and whatever the operating system that you configured in Kicker, that will be installed in the nodes. So this is way it is easier to install operating system in all the nodes quickly. Boom. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. If you have any question, you can reach me also. If when the time allows, I will be happy to help. Thank you and have a wonderful day.